Good afternoon, my dears, my little sweet children. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home, right? So, which period is this? This is your EVS period. Which period is this? This is your EVS period, and I am your teacher. I am your teacher. And first, now tell me, what is the school name? What is the school name? So how you will say? The name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. Very good. In which class do you study? I am studying in LKG class. I am studying in LKG. Right? What you will say? I am studying in LKG. Right? So, you know, in two videos we have learned about festival, right? We have learned about the festivals and the first letter of the festival, right? And the first letter of festival. Today we will do some exercise related festival. What we will do? Today we will do some exercise related festival. So my dear little children, look here. All of you take out your notebook. Take out your notebook and take out the previous work which we have done. In two videos we have learned about festival, first letter of the festival, right? In two videos we have learned about that or not? Yes. So all of you take out your books. Yes, take out your books. Yes, which festival we have learned? First we have learned about, we have made Pichkari, so it is H for holy, right? Rakhi, we have made picture of Rakhi, so it means Raksha Bandhan. R for Raksha Bandhan. R for Raksha Bandhan. We have made picture of Dandiya, it means N for Navratri, N for Navratri. We have made picture of Matki, so it means J. J for Janmashtami. J for Janmashtami. Right? Then after that we have made picture of Ravan. So it means Ravan. This means picture of Dashera. D for Dashera. Ravan. Picture of Ravan means D for Dashera. Picture of Diya means D for Diwali. Picture of Diya means D for Diwali. Picture of Ikonka, it means Guru Parv. Guru Parv, G. It means G. It is G. G for Guru Parv. Picture of Xmas tree. It means picture of Xmas tree. It means Christmas. C for Christmas. C for Christmas. Xmas tree. That means it is a festival of Christmas. C for Christmas. C for Christmas. Now, today we are going to do some exercise related festival. What? Related festival. So let's start. All of you take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. Write the heading and start writing with me. So now we will make pictures and we will match it with what? First letter. What we will do? We will match it with first letter. Right? Let's start. Make the picture like this, all of you. Yes, all of you make the picture. I don't have space. I don't have space. That's why I am making here. Right? But you have space. So you have to make down. Right? I don't have space. That's why I am making here. But you have space. So you can draw down. What? You can draw the down. You also make the drawing with me. Right? Make the picture also with me. Right? You have to make like this. Yes, completed. I am giving you time. Okay, don't worry. I am giving you time, sufficient time to complete it. Okay, draw the pictures properly and complete it. Okay, I am giving you time, sufficient time to complete your work. Right? Completed? Okay. Now look here. Match the pictures with the first letter. Match the picture with the first letter. We have to identify the picture and after that we have to match it with its picture. Right? What we have to do? We have to identify the picture and we have to match it with the first letter of the picture. Now what is this? In this festival the symbol we see Guru Parv. Which festival? Guru Parv. So G for Guru Parv. Where is G? Here. So what we will do? We will match this symbol with G. Guru Parv. G for Guru Parv. Then this picture is Xmas tree. Picture of Xmas tree. So in this festival we see Xmas tree. Christmas. In which festival we see Xmas tree? Christmas. So all of you, look here. Match Xmas tree with Christmas. C. C for Christmas. Then which festival is this? Pichkari. In which festival? Holi. We use Pichkari in Holi festival now. Yes. So match this Pichkari with letter H. H for Holi. H for Holi. Right? H for Holi. Like this you have to match the pictures with the first letter. Right? Now. Which picture is this? Rakhi. So when we see Rakhi? In Raksha Bandhan. So R for Raksha Bandhan. Match Rakhi with R. Right? R for Raksha Bandhan. Now what is this? This is Dandiya. So in which festival we see? Navratri. In which festival? Navratri. So where is N? N for Navratri. So match this with N. N for Navratri. Then Ravan. In which festival we see Ravan? Dashera. So D for Dashera. D for Dashera. Right? Moon. Which festival? Eid. Which festival? Eid. So E for Eid. So match moon with Eid. Which match moon with Eid. Then which picture is this? Diya. Which picture is this? Diya. So D for Diwali. So match Diya with Diwali. Right? So like this you have to do matching. You have to identify the picture and match it with first letter. Right? Ek Omkar we see this Ek Omkar we see in Gurupad. So G. G for Gurupad. Xmas tree we see in Christmas. So C for Christmas. Pichkari we see in Holi. So H for Holi. Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan. R for Raksha Bandhan. Dandiya we see in Navratri. So N for Navratri. Ravan in Dashera. So D for Dashera. Moon we see in Eid. So E for Eid. Diya. Diwali. So D for Diwali. Now after completing this, next. Now next is next page. Color the object which is related with Diwali. Some pictures I will draw some pictures. We have to color it. Right? You also draw with me. Yes, what we have to do, we have to draw the pictures. Okay. Now, look here all of you. What we have to do? We have to color the object which related with Diwali. Which is related with Diwali. हम दिवाली में कौन कौन सी चीजें देखते हैं उसे हमें कलर करना है, राइट? कलर द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज रिलेटेड विद दिवाली। इसमें से कौन कौन चीजें हैं जो दिवाली पे हम दिवाली फेस्टिवल में हम यूज करते हैं? बताओ हम क्या करते हैं दिवाली पे? दिवाली पे बताओ क्या क्या चीज हम यूज करते हैं? इनमें से कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करते हैं हम दिवाली पे? ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू, देखिए और फिर लुक हियर, काइट। वी यूज काइट इन दिवाली। दिवाली में हम पतंग उड़ाते हैं? नो। सो वी विल कलर इट? नो, वी विल नॉट डू कलर। देन दिवाली पे दिया, हम दिया जलाते हैं दिवाली पे? यस। सो वी विल कलर दी दिया, राइट? कलर दी दिया। Earthen lamp. Which lamp is this? Earthen lamp, right? Okay. We use pichkari in Diwali. We use pichkari in Diwali. No, we don't use pichkari in Diwali. Then in which festival we use pichkari? Holi. We use pichkari in Holi, right? Now look here. What is this? This is anar, crackers. So we use, हम अनार जलाते हैं दिवाली पे? Yes. So we will color it, right? We will color this, right? It is colorful, na? Yes. Then we see Christmas tree. We see Christmas tree in Diwali. Yes or no? We see Christmas tree in Diwali. No, we don't see Christmas tree in Diwali. So in which festival we see Xmas tree? We see Xmas tree in Christmas. We see Xmas tree in Christmas. So we will not do any color. Okay. Then you see lamp out of your house. आप अपने घर के बाहर लैंप लगाते हो? Yes. Yes. So we use this also in Diwali. So color it. घर के बाहर हम लैंप लगाते हैं ना, लाइट्स लगाते हैं बहुत सारी। यस, तो हम लैंप भी लगाते हैं। सो वी यूज लैंप इन दिवाली। यस, सो कलर द लैंप, कलर द लैंप। इट इज मेड ऑफ पेपर लैंप। दिस इज पेपर लैंप। देन व्हाट इज दिस? दिस क्रैकर्स। सो क्रैकर्स हम यूज करते हैं दिवाली पे। क्रैकर्स हम जलाते हैं दिवाली पे। यस। So what we will do? We will color it. What we will do? We will color it, right? So color these crackers, right? So color these crackers. So what we have done? The things which are related with objects which are related with Diwali. जो भी चीज हम दिवाली से related है उससे हमने color किया। काइट हम यूज नहीं करते दिवाली में, राइट? पिचकारी, we don't use पिचकारी also. Xmas tree, no, not in Diwali. So diya, earthen lamp, paper lamp, crackers, now we use it Diwali. Diwali पे use होता है. So we have colored all the object which is related with Diwali, right? Which is related with Diwali. And one more question I want to give you. So please note it down. What you have to do? Look here, decorate diya. Make one diya, pick diya in your notebook, right? आपको दिया बनाना है बुक में आपके। like this. Then you have to decorate it, right? You have to decorate it in your book. You have to decorate this in your notebook. In your notebook, you can stick stones, right? You can stick stones. You can stick whatever you like. Paste it on the diya. Decorate diya, right? Decorate diya in your notebook. Draw the diya, decorate it properly in your notebook, neatly and properly. What you have to do? You have to decorate the diya. What you have to do? You have to decorate diya. You can paste the stone here. You can paste the some thin lace also, right? And decorate properly and neatly, right? Right or not? Yes. So you have to decorate this diya in your notebook. Paste it in your notebook, right? Draw the diya and decorate it. Okay? Don't decorate real diya. Okay? Decorate it. Draw the diya and decorate. आपको ड्रॉ करना है बुक में, आपको डेकोरेट करना है अच्छे से. Okay? The stones or whatever you have in your home, you can decorate it. Okay? So my dear student, complete your work. Now I'm winding up my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day and look after yourself.